Sir. Sir, tanong siya.
Pero mapunta lang. Mapunta lang ako.
Nalagpita mo na matatapos mo kami kayo. Start na. Tayo na si Tony. Wait lang po.
Kaya man maluluwas ng site. Sana.
Sigma Collective and Minor Inconvenience presents a long lonely December here at M50 Hobbyist Cafe. We should have started a few minutes ago, but hello to our small crowd. Actually, it's my first time. Let me speak first because I have 30 minutes and I only prepare 3 songs. Yeah, I'm part of the Mukha Collective way back 3 years ago. We actually built with Tom, Carmela. It's a small collective in Partido. We have we were a group of local artists, visual,
Visual artist, literary.
yeah, literary, and some of them actually pursued different paths already. Pinaka-head mo si Master, nasa Canada. So, tutugtugon niya si original niya. Kasi yung original ko, nakalimutan. But yeah, I hope you have a good time. Welcome to M50. And thank you so much, Community Recording, Minor Inconvenience, Sigma Collective, M50, of course. Thank you so much for the equipment. Yeah, I'm sorry. Wala akong kodigo. I'm just, winging it. So, make yourself at home because I'm kind of nervous. Kahit ano lang tayo dito. Tayo lang